Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. Today we're going to be talking about Laneige Water Sleeping Mask, one of the most popular skincare products on the market. Now, I do have the trial size of this product. I got this little bad boy when I purchased the trial kit, which comes with the small size toner, the small size the essence, and also moisturizer on the side. Full size of this product comes in 2.7 ounces, which is 70 milligrams, and this retails $25. This is moisturizing gel mask. Obviously, it is gonna quickly absorb into your skin and then deeply hydrates. This product is formulated with hydrolyzed mineral water. This Laneige word, I have tried it several times. I'm trying to pronounce it and it's so hard to pronounce. I don't know, maybe it's me. Hydrolyzed mineral water has 6 minerals like zinc, manganese, magnesium, sodium, calcium, and potassium. All of these minerals are gonna help to penetrate the product better into your skin, and they are all ionized as well. They also have infused calming scent to it, which consists of orange flower, scent, rose, and sandalwood. They also recommend using it once or twice a week, depending on your need. If you do have very dehydrated skin, you can use it even more. Sometimes I use it like 3 times or 4 times a week. Let's talk about my review, my experience with this product. Obviously, you guys know this product is very, very popular when it comes to sleep masks or overnight masks. I think probably this is the first company that actually came up with this kind of product, overnight mask. And I was very pleasantly surprised about the scent first. You guys know I am very particular about the scent. I really like it. When you put it on, it actually comforts you. It makes you feel relaxed. Actually, I love the scent. And now the consistency, obviously, as you guys can see, it is very lightweight. It quickly absorbs into your skin. I totally agree with that. And also something that I have to mention about the texture is as soon as you apply it on your skin, it just immediately, imagine a splash of water. When you just splash it, it just kind of runs everywhere. It's exactly like that. The only thing that I did not like about this product, that it just sits on top of your skin. I mean, the stickiness, you do feel little stickiness on your skin, even it quickly absorbs into your skin, you still feel the tacky feeling, when you go to bed. So that's the only thing that I didn't like, because when I go to bed, I don't like that, wet feeling on my skin. I want my skin to be completely dry. But other than that, it definitely does what it says it does to your skin, When you wake up in the morning, your skin is very soft, comfortable, it's hydrated at the same time, Considering the price tag and also what it's gonna do to your skin, the scent, the texture, everything about this product is beautiful. I'm gonna give a high 5 for this product. One of the best overnight masks that I have tried. $25 is not bad at all, and considering that it's gonna last you for a very long time. Yeah, that's all I gotta say about this product, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hey, thumbs up the video if you like it. It's gonna help me to know you like the video, so I'll make videos like this more in the future. And also, don't forget Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 9:30 with Hawaiian time. Be there for me. I'm gonna be there for you with a fresh video. And also make sure to subscribe if you're new to my channel. If you do like skincare, beauty, you are gonna love the channel. Subscribe button is right here. Make sure to click. All right, guys, have a great day, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye, guys.